Good evening, children. Today I am taking this video in the evening time, so there is little darkness, but it will not affect the content, and at the same time the visibility. You will be able to see properly. Fine. Let's go to the topic. I am teaching you direct proportion. Today I will be taking indirect proportion. Before that, let me confess, I made a mistake in the spelling, that is proportion spelling. P-R-O-P-O-R-T-I-O-N. Instead of P-O-R-T-I-O-N, I had written P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Please correct it and forgive me. Now the topic is inverse proportion. Okay. In direct proportion, what I have taught you, when there is an increase in the quantity, the rate will also increase. So that is a direct proportion. Here, when there is an increase in certain thing, the other corresponding thing will decrease. That is inverse proportion. This is direct proportion. Okay. The difference, I will give you an example. For example, if I am going to make one wall. Okay. I am making one wall and I require 4 laborers. These 4 laborers will take 5 days, okay, to complete the wall. 4 laborers will take 5 days to complete the wall. Suppose if I reduce the laborers to 2 laborers, then how many days it will take the laborers? I don't know. Okay, that means it will decrease. Sorry, when the laborers gets decreased, the days will increase. Okay. Now 4 laborers will take 5 days. Then 2 laborers will take obviously 10 days. Yeah? So what? The laborers got reduced, the days got increased. Understood? So here the laborers in downward mark, this days increased upward mark. So it comes in this manner. Okay. When same direction, then it is direct. When it is inverse, then comes inverse. Got it? Now what we are going to do, if I want to solve, suppose I don't know this, then how I will solve it? How I will solve it? See, 4 upon 2 is equal to, in direct we used to write 5 upon x, but in inverse you will inverse. You will take the reciprocal, that is x upon 5. Then as usual, the method of solving cross multiplication, 4 into 5 is equal to 2 into x. 4 5s are how much? 20. 2 into x, 2x. Now here it is multiplication. So opposite of multiplication, division. So 20 divided by 2, 2x divided by 2. 2, 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2 10s are. So 10 is equal to x. Understood how to calculate? You have to first make a table, put it properly in its place. Second thing what you have to do, you have to take the reciprocal. In direct we don't take reciprocal, but in direct you have to inverse. Don't confuse. In direct we don't take. In inverse we do the reciprocal of the numerator and denominator. I will give you one more example so you understand better. Now, so I am referring Maharashtra Board 7th standard book. Okay, this is practice set 38. So in that I will be taking the second sum. Maharashtra Board took 10 days to finish a book. Okay, what he did? He took, number of days is 10. He took 10 days to finish a book and reading 40 pages every day. In 10 days, how much he was doing? He was reading 40 pages. Okay. Now, the other part of the question is, how many pages must you be read in a day? To finish 8 in 8 days. Means you want to finish the books in 8 days. So, how many pages he should read daily? So, this is the question. See. In 10 days, he finishes 8 pages. 40 pages. So in 8 days, how many pages he will finish? That is the question. So when the days are decreased, obviously the pages has to be increased. So how I will write? 10 upon 8 is equal to, this I will take, this is inverse. So I will take the inverse. I will do the reciprocal. Okay. Then cross multiplication, 10 into 40 is equal to 8 into x. 10 into 40 how much? 400 is equal to 8x. This I will carry forward here. 400 is equal to 8x. This to multiplication divided. Okay, 400 divided by 8 is equal to 8x divided by 8. Got it? 8 cancel. This 8 ones are 8 5s are 40. This 0 will come here. So the answer is 50x. What he has to do? Per day he has to read 50 pages so that he can finish in 8 days. Got it? I will rub this. You want one more sum? Yes, I will teach you that also. Many students find difficulty when it comes to distance and speed. We will go for another problem, that is the third one. Practice set 38 only. Mary cycles at a speed of 6 km per hour. What she is doing? Mary, name of a girl. She is cycling at 6 km per hour. So this is what? This is her speed. Okay. Speed is 6 km per hour. How long will she take to reach her auntie's house? Her auntie's house is how much kilometer far? 12 km far. So how long she will take if she cycles at a speed of 4 km per hour? 4 km. Now Mary, she is cycling and going to her auntie's house. Okay. Obviously the kilometer will not change. It will be 12 only, not more than that. If she will go at a speed of 6 km per hour, how many times she will take? Okay, hours, or what is the time she will take? I don't know. I will find it out. And if she reduces the speed, then how much time she will take? I will calculate time. So this also we don't know. This also we don't know. What I will do? This I will take as x, and here I will take as y. So what we have to do is we have to find two things here. It is very simple. Go step by step, then you will understand. First thing we will do, the first part. She is cycling at 6 km per hour. How many times she will take? The formula is speed, S-P-E-E-D. Okay. Speed into time is equal to distance. Okay. What is the speed? Her speed is 6 km per hour. The time taken, I don't know. I have to find. I will take x. The distance is 12. Got it? 6 into x is equal to 12. Here it is multiplication. So opposite of multiplication, division. So 6x upon 6 is equal to 12. 12 upon 6. 6 cancel. 6 1 are 6 2 are. Then x is equal to 2. Okay. If she drives at a speed of 6 km per hour, she will take 2. She will take 2 hours. Okay. Now, yeah, this is the correct part. This over, the answer is correct. I was verifying it whether it is correct or not. This understood? Now, I am going to the second part of the question. This is the first part. We are going to see I will write here the number so that you don't get confused. 4 km per hour. It says riding the cycle at 4 km per hour. 4 into the distance, time, I don't know. I am putting our x, and the distance is 12. 4 into y, 4y. Here it is multiplication, so what I will do? We have to find y. So you cannot put y. You have to take the coefficient. Is equal to 12 upon 4. 4, 4 cancel. So y is equal to 4 ones are 4 3s are. Okay. So she will take how much? 3 hours to reach. Got it? 4 kilometer. 4 is her speed. Kilometer per hour. Kilometer, the distance is 12. And the time she will take is 3 hours. How I found out? Now x is 2, this is 3. When she reduced the speed, the time increased. It is an example of inverse proportion. Understood? Perfectly? Very good. If you didn't understand, practice. Take care.